The human visual system gives us the ability to see our environment. It requires communication between the eye and the brain to interpret external stimuli into images. Humans are highly visual compared to many other animals that rely more on smell or hearing, and we have developed an incredibly complex sight system in comparison. Vision depends mainly on one sensory organ, the eye. The human eye is one of the most complicated structures on Earth, and it requires many components to allow our advanced visual capabilities. There are three major layers of the eye: the sclera, the choroid, and the retina. The sclera maintains, protects, and supports the shape of the eye. It includes the cornea. The choroid provides oxygen and nourishment to the eye. It includes the pupil, iris, and lens. The retina allows us to piece images together. It includes rods and cones. All vision is based on the perception of electromagnetic rays. These rays pass through the cornea in the form of light, and the cornea focuses the rays as they enter the eye through the pupil. The pupil allows as much or as little light to enter as is necessary to see an image properly. The colored area around the pupil is the iris. The iris muscles contract or dilate the pupil to change the amount of light that enters the eye. Behind the pupil is the lens, which is similar in shape and function to a camera lens. Together with the cornea, the lens adjusts the focal length of the image being seen onto the back of the eye, the retina. Visual reception occurs at the retina, where photoreceptor cells, called rods and cones, give an image color and shadow. Photoreceptor cells found in this region have the specialized capability of phototransduction, or the ability to convert light into electrical signals. The image is transduced into neural impulses and then transferred through the optic nerve to the rest of the brain for processing. The left hemisphere of the brain processes visual images from the right eye, and the right hemisphere processes visual images from the left eye. The optic chiasm is a crossing of optic nerve fibers behind the eyes at the bottom of the brain, allowing the right eye to wire to the left hemisphere of the brain, and the left eye to wire to the right hemisphere of the brain. Color vision is a critical component of human vision and plays an important role in both perception and communication. There are two types of photoreceptor cells: rods, which are responsible for night vision, and cones, which are responsible for daytime vision. Generally speaking, rods are for shadows and light differences, and cones are for color vision. The front of your eye has many more cones than rods, while the sides have more rods than cones. For this reason, your peripheral vision is sharper than your direct vision in the darkness, but your peripheral vision is also in black and white.